Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy vanilla gift card. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe notification turned on to our YouTube channel so you guys can get notified for a future video because we're going to be bringing more gift card related video. Let's dive into the video, shall we? So the first thing is you want to go to your browser and you want to search for vanilla gift card. After you search for vanilla gift card, you want to go to where it says www.vanillagiftcard.com. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Vanilla Gift Cards website over here. Now, if you have an account, you can sign into it. But if you do not, you can create. But if you just want to buy a gift card, you cannot do both of them. You can just click on Shop Gift Cards. Once you click on it over here, it's going to take you to a space where it's going to show you all the gift card available in its website. So this is all the gift card which is available on their website. There's like up to 5 pages. So you can, choose whichever gift card you like a gold script gift card, a custom, gift card, a gold diagonal gift card. You can choose whichever you want over here. And let's say I want to buy this gold script gift card. I can just click on it. After I click on it, it's going to take me to its individual page over here. Now over here it's going to give me two options, whether I want a physical version of this card or an email version of this card. All right, now remember, physical version means like a credit card which you guys can touch and feel, but an email one is like basically it's going to send you a photo of this card to your email and you can use it from over there. You can choose whichever you want. So let's say I want the email version of it. All right, so after I choose on my email version of it, I can choose the value of the card, like which amount I want, a $500 one, a $400 one, or I can even add a custom amount over here where it says other amount, and I can add a custom amount over here like $40. Let's say I want a $40 one, and it says a purchase fee of $2.95 per card will apply, which means from these $40 it's going to take $2.95, which means $3. Let's say it's going to take $3 from this $40 over here. All right, and over here I need to enter my recipient's email, which means which email I want this card to be sent to. So if you want to send it to your friends as a gift, you can enter their email, or if you want to send it to your email, you can enter your email. So let me enter my email over here. After entering your email, you want to enter your email over here again to confirm it. And after entering this email, what you want to do is you want to click on where it says add to cart, so that this card is added to our cart. Once it's added to our cart, it's going to show over here at the top. You want to click on this cart icon. After you click on this cart icon, it's going to show you all the card you have added to our cart, and you want to click on the card which you want to buy. You want to click on proceed to checkout. After you click on proceed to checkout, it's going to take you to its checkout page. Now over here you want to enter your payment details over here. So before that, what you want to do is enter your email over here. So I'm going to enter my email and enter my phone number as well. After I do that, if you guys have some kind of promo code, you can always apply it to get some discount, but if you don't, you can just click on continue to payment. After you're over here, you want to enter your payment details over here. Basically, after entering your payment detail, your order is done and they will send your card in your email, or if you ordered a physical card, then it's going to send you via delivery. So yeah, that's basically how this works. So hope you guys are able to understand on how you guys can buy a vanilla gift card. It's in this way. So yeah, and with this gift card, you can buy whichever thing you want. It's going to act like a normal Visa debit card. It's just like a gift card which you guys can use to gift it to your friends or family on Christmas or other stuff. It's gonna work as a normal debit card, but basically after you use the amount stored in that card, basically you can throw away the card because it's useless. All right, it's like a one-time use card. So yeah, that's basically how this cards works as well. So hope you guys are able to understand this video. If you were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.